All right, Looney Mooney tunes.
Hello.
Looney Mooney tunes. That's all right. All right, YouTubers.
Hi guys.
We're back.
Hello.
With Jeremy.
Daddy.
Yay! And we are the
Looney
Mooney
Mooney
Fun
Fun
Times.
Times channel. Today we're going to be doing this helicopter toy
Check it
that
out.
I bought at the shops today.
JJ bought this today. He saw it. He likes it. Although it does say that it's for how many? What the age group? What's it
It's
for?
free.
3.
3
I guess it might be too old for you.
No!
Because how old are you now? I thought, are you 2? I think you're 2, aren't you? Maybe it's not. You're not old enough yet. It makes noise. Just what we need, another toy in the house that makes noise.
And it spins around when you press that one.
Speaking of noise, we can see.
Oh,
Okay, so tell us about this one, mate. What is it? What is it?
So it's a helicopter and see
It's a
these
rescue
two
helicopter,
buttons?
I think.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
So yeah, so
both of these buttons make noise as well as spin this top.
But we have-
We can't spin it right now because of the box, but
right.
once we get it out, we can spin it.
check out this box. Check out the box. What have we got on there? We've got pictures of the helicopter on this side.
And how
We've got
you
a big
can do
picture on the
stuff.
back. It's got all the instructions on what you can do with it, I guess.
I already know.
Yeah.
Okay, YouTubers, we've got this.
Wow!
I accidentally pressed the button.
Look at it. Check it go. All right, so we have it out of the box.
This is here, which turn it around, which goes on this hook. But how do you pull it up and forward? See?
Oh. So it's called the winch. It's called a winch.
Yeah,
Yep.
but there's a handle here that, see? Watch.
Oh wow! That's how you rescue people that are stuck in the water, right? So it sends the winch down and then it puts the winch up. Oh, all right. So well, Lita had to come and check this out too. She had to come. So here it is out of the box. Pretty cool.
And also, there's a little light which that goes beep, beep, beep.
That's a light for searching and rescuing, yeah. And then what about the back? What's in the back?
The back is this.
It's like a rotor. That's the thing that speeds the helicopter
Yeah,
out.
and that's all these doors slide.
Cool. The door slide open.
But there's no people.
So it's a proper rescue helicopter, right?
Yeah.
Maybe you can open it.
You can open it exactly right.
And you can turn the light to that.
So it's a pretty cool helicopter, eh? And now for the most exciting part. Wow!
There's a light
Yeah.
flash in that.
That's so cool. Oh, don't put your hand in the blade though. If that was a real helicopter, you'd lose your hand. Exactly, yeah. But that's not bad. You want to press the button, Lita? You can press the button too. Whoa! That's really cool. So there you go. It actually goes and everything. I suppose the batteries go in the bottom. Yep, batteries go in the bottom.
Oh man, I
So it's
hate
a pretty
batteries.
simple toy, but it makes noise and it has a spinning rotor and everything. So it's like a proper
I don't
rescue
like
helicopter.
batteries.
It's got the winch and everything,
And it's got a...
and the safety, and that's the what the winch where you winch people out of the water and stuff. Wow. Cool. All right. Well, there you go. I guess we'll say goodbye for now. What do you reckon, JJ?
Bye-bye.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you haven't already. And we will see you in the next video, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.